Welcome back to the Weather Channel, and today there is unexpectedly high temperatures in the winter. Also, Happy New Year, but we'll get to that later, but for now, we are unexpectedly reaching up to 23 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's unknown how this is happening. So NASA is trying to figure it out, but we'll update you when that happens.
The following message has been transmitted by the Kosciuszko Police Department and the National Weather Service. Many reports have come in that all cool temperatures in the Kosciuszko area have switched to hot temperatures. The National Weather Service is figuring out what's going on. You can help yourself by keeping cool at all means, which means drinking cool water and turning on air conditioning units. Tune into any gadgets for more updates as they follow.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service. Mass casualties, injuries, and deaths have been reported due to the intense heat throughout the world. People have also reported of vehicles melting. It is recommended to take the following actions: stay cool by turning on air conditioning units and drinking cool water. It has also been advised to go to places by foot until this has stopped. Tune into updates of this situation as it follows.
Hello everyone, welcome to the National American Weather Radio. Is anybody else feeling hot in here? Oh god. Even with the air conditioning on, even with me drinking plenty of water, I am still feeling pretty hot. And the temperature is rapidly rising up to 200. So I'm gonna try to explain this as best as I could. Please don't freak out or something, because I'm trying my best in these hot temperatures. So it's been found of people melting. Yep, you heard me right. People melting alive by their skin loosening up, being peelable, and the bones and flesh falling off of them. It's pretty graphic to explain, but I'm getting easily nauseous here. Oh. It's freaking 200 degrees now. What? How did this happen already? Oh. Oh no, it's 300 degrees. I don't think I can survive any more of this. I'm melting somebody. Please.